Hey everyone, welcome back to Cruise class. In today's video, we'll be following up on our differentiation rules, and we will continue the different rules from the last video. The last video we looked at the power rule and also the constant rule. So you can look at the link in the video here if you choose to go back to that. But in this video, we'll be looking at 4 different rules. The first two of those 4 rules are the exponent rule and the ln rule. Now for the exponent rule, if we have an exponent, as we can see here, e raised to ax, a being a coefficient, the differential of the exponent raised to a function of x will be whatever the coefficient is, which is a in this case, multiplied by everything, and that is all. So as you can see, it would be a multiplied by e to the ax. So once we have this example, look at this example here. We have y equals to 3e to the 2x. In this case, 2 would be a. And as we can see from the rule up here, we will just multiply the exponent by a. So the entire exponent in this case will be 3e to the 2x. So it will be 2 times everything. And 2 times 3 will give us 6. And then we have e to the 2x. So therefore, the differential would be 6e to the 2x. Now, for the ln rule, as we can see here, the ln rule, natural log, the differential of the natural log of ln x will be equal to 1 over x. So in this case, we have, as you can see, y equal 4 ln x. So if the differential of ln x is 1 over x, then therefore the differential of y with respect to x will be 4 multiplied by 1 over x. So therefore it will be 4 times 1, 4. So the differential will be 4 over x. And that is the ln rule, and that is the exponent rule. Now for some engineering students out there and CAPE students out there who may need further differentiation rules, these are the trig rules, the basic trig rules of differentiation. The sine rule. The differential of sine is cosine. Simple. So the differential of sine x will be cosine x. So if we have y equals 7 sine x, the differential of y with respect to x will be 7 cos x, because the sine is now changed to cos. For the cosine rule, however, as we can see here, the differential of cosine x will be negative sine x. So if we have y equal 2 cos x, then the differential of y with respect to x will be negative 2 sine x, because the cosine is now changed to negative sine and the 2 remains. So this is the cosine rule and the sine rule, and these are 4 additional rules for differentiation.